In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva lagging. Canva is a fantastic design tool, but sometimes you may experience lag. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to improve your experience. Let's dive into the first step. First, you want to clear your browser cache. This is essential because your browser stores temporary files to help websites load faster. However, over time, these files can accumulate and cause your browser to slow down. To clear your cache, open your browser settings. Look for the section labeled History or Privacy. From there, you will find an option to clear cached images and files. Once you do this, your browser will free up temporary memory. This action can significantly enhance your browsing speed and overall performance in Canva. You will see a confirmation once the cache is cleared, ensuring that your browser is ready for a fresh start. Next, let's toggle hardware acceleration. Go to your browser system settings. This setting allows your browser to utilize your computer's graphics processing unit, which can help with performance. If the option Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on, try switching it off. Alternatively, if it is off, turn it on. After making this change, you will need to restart your browser for the adjustments to take effect. This step is crucial as it can directly impact how smoothly Canva runs. A simple restart will ensure that the changes take hold effectively, allowing you to enjoy a better experience. After that, close extra browser tabs. Each open tab consumes your computer's RAM and can slow down your system. This is especially true if you have several heavy web applications running, such as streaming services or other resource-intensive software. Take a moment to review your open tabs and close any that you are not actively using. By doing this, you free up valuable resources for Canva, making it run more smoothly. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing unnecessary lag. You may notice a significant improvement in performance after this simple action. Finally, if your web browser continues to stutter, consider downloading the standalone application. The official Canva desktop app is designed to optimize performance and often runs more efficiently than the web version. To download it, visit the Canva website and look for the download link for the desktop app. After downloading, follow the installation prompts. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your account. This can provide a more stable environment for your designs. Plus, having the app ensures that you are always updated with the latest features. You will find that the dedicated app minimizes lag and enhances your overall design experience. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce lagging in Canva. Remember to clear your cache regularly. Toggle hardware acceleration, manage your browser tabs, and consider using the desktop application. Each action plays an important role in optimizing your Canva experience. Thank you for watching and happy designing.